Welcome to Scholarship Ad, your ultimate hub for scholarships, internships, fellowships, and grants worldwide. We bring you the latest fully funded opportunities for undergraduate, master's, PhD, and professional programs. Whether you're looking to study abroad, gain work experience, or advance your career, we've got you covered. Subscribe and turn on the notification button now and never miss out on life-changing opportunities. Are you looking for fully funded scholarships in the UK? The University of Westminster Scholarships 2025 offer a variety of postgraduate and undergraduate scholarships for international and home students. These tuition fee waivers, maintenance grants, and excellence awards help students achieve their academic goals. For more details on the eligibility criteria, application deadlines, and benefits of each scholarship, click the link provided in the description. Please remember to like this video and leave a comment.